important for professionals to share their experiences and their insights from other aspects of the industry with people who are just coming through and studying it, because it's the most honest reflection of what is actually happening out in the industry. It's exciting and it's inspiring to hear how other people do things from other corners of the industry that might not first spring to mind.
For me personally, education has been something I've been really passionate about. Giving back to people, and I'm totally on board with that. I think that's really exciting. It was a pleasure to meet all the DBS students today.
Yeah, the other side of navigating the industry, but in like an authentic way, is something that I like to think that was like my main way, one of the main ways in which I was able to get into this. So being able to share that aspect of it has been really nice. It's quite surreal, really, to think that I now am able to give some sort of insight into it, because yeah, I was like in their position 5 years ago. So yeah, it feels pretty cool.
So it's been really great being here, sharing my experiences and knowledge with the students. I've got to meet so many of them, a lot of them working on really exciting things. I certainly wouldn't be, sat here had it not been for people who passed on knowledge to me. So I think it's hugely important.
It's really important to me that new people are coming through with fresh perspectives, and I was helped enormously by people who were further along when I was coming through, so I really like to pay that forward.
I always kind of enjoy sharing these sort of methods, particularly because they're quite easy to replicate and they're not overly complicated, they're available to everyone, and I quite like people to start getting to think about sound and the way they produce in a different way. It's immensely satisfying to see someone be able to generate their own kind of like unique samples, patches, things like that. So I'm kind of obsessed with that and creating a bit of like originality for people.
I think it's great. I mean, it's like from all facets of the industry, both DJing and production and sound design, mixing, like anything that I'm interested in, I can go to, and even stuff that I just have like an auxiliary interest in, like synth building or something, I could explore that. So it's like absolutely everything for everyone.